Are you feeling hurt, in pain, dealing with a very tough, heavy emotion? You have the power to heal your body so you can start to feel good. You can turn on the fan and blow away the dark clouds. Here's what I recommend. Here's what has worked for me in healing my physical body, as well as being able to dislodge those negative emotions. Whatever it is that you're feeling, lie down and focus inward. Feel the feeling. So many times we want to distract ourselves from the feeling. We want to ignore the feeling. We want to medicate the feeling. I'm not saying that sometimes that is what you need to do. If you are in pain, sometimes you do need a break from the pain. But here is something that you can do in conjunction with other modalities that you are doing to try to heal. As you are lying there, breathe in deeply. Focus on being in this very present moment. Focus on your breathing. Focus on your body. Pay attention to what hurts. Bring your awareness to the part of your body or the part of your energy and your emotional system that is in pain. Look at it. Be curious about it. Let any and all emotions surface. Whatever it is you're feeling, feel it. Emotions want to be felt. They want to be felt. They want us to have the message, the lesson, and then they move on. But so many times, because we ignore them, because they feel terrible, we ignore them, we block them, we distract ourselves from them, they stay. They stay and they wreak havoc on our physical symptom, on our physical system. So look at it. Put all your awareness there. Tell me, how big is it? What does it look like? Does it have a color? Does it have movement? Does it stay contained within your body? What about the texture? Is it smooth, rough? Is it hard, soft, pliable, or stiff? Look at the energy of this pain. Where is it located? Where do you see it showing up, or where do you feel it in your body? And with all curiousness, I want you now, as you're feeling it, is to reach in there and grab it. Pull it out. Imagine your spiritual self helping you and healing you and reaching in and grabbing this pain energy and bringing it out so you can see it. With all gratitude, thank you for being here. Thank you for the message. Even if you didn't get the message, even if in this physical world you don't know, somewhere in your subconscious you got a message, and trust that it will be revealed to you in time. Thank you for this message. I now release you back to Mother Earth. Thank you for being here. Thank you for protecting me. But now it is time for me to move on, because you are preventing me from living my higher purpose. And then watch this energy get added back to Mother Earth, and watch Mother Earth receive this energy, transmuting it into something beautiful. So watch something grow there. A plant, a tree, a shrubbery, a flower. Now go back to where in your body we took this energy from. And I want you to picture your spiritual self putting hands on that space, on that open space that we just removed the energy. Putting her beautiful pink energy right on that space. This is her healing energy, because this is our physical body that we want to heal. We have removed something energetic that was preventing us from living our higher selves, living our higher purpose. And now we want our physical body to feel better. So we get that healing from Mother Earth. So watch as this pink energy seeps into that space. And right now, as you're visualizing that, allow it to fill you up. This beautiful, bright, pink light, this healing light. Allow it to fill you up, and allow this healing light to fill you with joy, fill you with happiness, fill you with satisfaction. and say to yourself, or you could say it out loud, I accept this healing. I accept this healing. Thank you for this healing. I accept this healing. Thank you for this healing. I accept this healing. Thank you for this healing. And continue on to say that over and over again as you watch your spiritual self heal that part of your body. Feel into the healing. Breathe into it. Have trust and faith that you are being healed. Have trust and faith in the energy system in which can heal your body. And when you are ready, watch your spiritual self merge into your physical being, making you whole once more.